Hello everybody! Today we're going to learn about Budae Jjigae, a beloved Korean stew. This dish has a fascinating history and a unique blend of flavors. It's a great example of how something delicious can come from difficult times. Are you ready to learn more about Budae Jjigae? Let's go! Budae Jjigae is known for its spicy, savory broth and variety of ingredients. It typically includes ingredients like spam, hot dogs, kimchi, and ramen noodles. This unusual combination reflects the dish's interesting past, born during a time of hardship and resourcefulness in Korea. After the Korean War ended in 1953, food was scarce in South Korea. People had to be creative to make meals. American military bases were located nearby, and sometimes surplus food was available. This included items like spam, hot dogs, and baked beans. Korean people incorporated these new ingredients into their traditional recipes. They combined them with kimchi, gochujang, red chili paste, and other Korean staples. This fusion of Korean and American flavors marked the birth of Budae Jjigae. The name Budae Jjigae translates to army stew. Budae means army base in Korean, referring to the source of some of its key ingredients. The name reflects the dish's origins in the period following the Korean War. Budae Jjigae is also sometimes called Johnson Tang. This name is linked to United States President Lyndon B. Johnson. During his presidency, he promoted a foreign aid program that included sending food supplies to South Korea. While the exact origin of the name is uncertain, it highlights the role of American aid in shaping the dish. Budae Jjigae began as a simple way to create a hearty meal using limited resources. Over time, it evolved into a popular dish enjoyed by people from all walks of life in Korea. Restaurants specializing in Budae Jjigae emerged, each adding its own unique twist to the recipe. Today, Budae Jjigae is a symbol of Korean culinary ingenuity and adaptability. It represents the ability to transform scarcity into something delicious and satisfying, and it continues to be a favorite comfort food for many. You can easily make Budae Jjigae at home. You can find the ingredients at most Asian grocery stores. It's a fun and flavorful way to experience a taste of Korean history. Here's what you need: spam, hot dogs, kimchi, ramen noodles, vegetables like mushrooms, onions, and tofu, gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, soy sauce, garlic, and sugar. First, cut the spam, hot dogs, and vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Then, heat some oil in a pot and stir-fry the garlic. Add the spam and hot dogs and cook until they're lightly browned. Next, stir in the kimchi, gochujang, soy sauce, and sugar. Add water or broth and bring it all to a boil. After that, add the vegetables and ramen noodles. Simmer everything until the noodles are cooked and the flavors have melded together. Serve hot and enjoy. Budae Jjigae is a testament to the resilience of the Korean people and their ability to create something extraordinary out of the ordinary. It's a dish that tells a story of history, resourcefulness, and the power of food to bring people together. I really hope you get a chance to try it.